Om Shri Sai Ram. What can this life be if we do not have fun and be happy? Welcome to a fresh episode of Easy DIY Art and Craft. Craft ideas should also make us happy apart from being beautiful. Now it can be the sound of the wind chime. It can be the sight of some beautiful flower. Today, Sangavi is here to make a beautiful wind chime out of the straw that we often throw away. This final product looks so beautiful, it is so lightweight and is a feast for the eyes. And this was the first time she tried something in art and craft, and she and I, both of us, were equally amazed seeing the final product. I am sure you will also be wonderstruck seeing this wind chime. And for that, you have to watch the video from the beginning till the end without skipping. My dear friends, don't you feel this art was truly amazing? And let me reveal to you that some of them have tried it for the first time and come up with this wonderful art creation. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and express your positive feedback through the comments below. Share it with your family and friends. Let them enjoy watching this wonderful creative talent that is there in our students. And finally, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Art is long, life is short, so don't worry, be happy. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.